this? Can you identify the image? This is the kitchen where our mom used to prepare our more delicious favorite food. Is it? Now we move on to next image. See what they are doing? They are having some food. Is it? And the next one. Here some healthy food and unhealthy foods are given. Apple, banana, fruits and vegetables, milk, meat. All these are the healthy food. And these are the junk foods, which is nothing but unhealthy. Okay. And now I am going to show you some clips. You guys have to identify the name of the food. What is this? This is a salad. And the next one, sandwiches. And the next one, chicken. Yes. Now, hope all these are your favorite food. Is it? Yes. Today we are going to start with a new lesson. What is the lesson name? What is the lesson name? Food. Unit 1, term 2, standard 3 science. Food. Okay. Why do we need food? So food gives us energy. We need energy to work and to play. Is it? Because of that reason, food gives us energy to work and to play. We need energy to work, to play and to do other activities. Any other activity we need energy. So where we get energy? We are getting energy only from the food. So food gives us energy. Food gives us energy to work and to play. Food gives us energy to work and to play and to do any other activities. We need energy where we are getting from the food. Okay. And the next one, food builds our body. It makes our body to grow tall, to make it strong. So we are getting from the food. And food keeps us healthy. Food keeps us healthy. If we eat healthy food, food keeps us very healthy. Okay. And the next one, food nutrients. What is the next topic? Food nutrients. There are 5 different food nutrients are given here. The first one, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. First one, what is the first one? Carbohydrates. What is the first one? Carbohydrates. So we saw we need energy to work and to play. Is it? Where we used to get this energy? From the carbohydrate foods. Carbohydrate foods are called energy giving foods. Carbohydrate foods are called energy giving foods. The foods that are rich in carbohydrates are rice, wheat, potatoes, sugar cubes and then bread. All these are the carbohydrate rich foods which gives us energy. And the next one is proteins. Next one is a protein. Protein foods, they may not give the energy, but these food helps us to grow tall and it keeps our body very strong. Because of that reason, protein foods are called body building foods. Protein foods are called body building foods and the food that is rich in protein is fish, milk, egg, nuts and sprouted seeds. Okay. And the next one, what are the 5 different food nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. We saw carbohydrates, proteins and the third one is fat. Fat provides energy to us. Whenever we are feeling tired, whenever we need energy, the fat which is stored in our body, it gives us energy. Okay, because of the reason, the fat foods are called body's energy reservoirs. Okay, these fat foods are cheese, butter, ghee, meat, oil and nuts. These are the fat-rich foods which is also known as energy reservoir food, which it gives the energy when we are feeling tired, whenever our body needs energy. The fat which is stored in our body, it gives us energy. Okay, and the next one is vitamins. Vitamins helps the body to work properly. Vitamins which helps the organs to work properly. Listen, each organ's in our body need some vitamins to work properly. If you take ice, it needs vitamin A. If you take bones, it needs vitamin D to work properly. Okay? Because of that reason, our body needs vitamin to work properly. In the same way, they protect our body from deficiency disease. The lack of vitamin, if this vitamin decreases, what happens? It leads to a deficiency disease in which the organs may not work properly. Okay? And the carrot, the vitamin-rich foods are carrot, orange, gooseberry, papaya and beets. Carrot, it contains vitamin A. Orange and gooseberry contains vitamin C, which helps the germs. It fights against the germs in our body. Vitamin C. Papaya, vitamin A. All the yellow color fruits, it contains vitamin A, like papaya, mango, all the yellow color fruit it contains the vitamin A, and greens, it contains vitamin B. Okay? And the next one, what is the first one? Minerals. What is the fifth one? Minerals. What are the 5 nutrients? Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and the fifth one is minerals. Okay, the minerals, it helps in the formation of blood, bones, teeth, etc. We are drinking the milk every day, is it? It contains a mineral called calcium, which is helpful for the strong teeth and bones. In the same way, we are taking the greens and dates, is it? It contains a mineral called iron, which helps in the formation of blood. So, mineral, it regulates the body function. Example, the mineral-rich foods, fig, pear, garlic, banana and apple milk. Okay? Next one, balanced diet. And the next topic is a balanced diet. Balanced diet is nothing but taking the food nutrients in the right amount. Okay, taking all the food nutrients in the right amount. Here the food pyramid is given. See here. So as I said already, which is the energy giving food? Carbohydrates. Why we need energy? To do all the works, to do any activity we need energy. Because of that reason, in the pyramid, in the bottom they given a carbohydrate rich foods and grains. Gives us the energy. And the second one, vegetables, fruits. Third category, milk, meat, fish, egg, oils. It is given in the third. At the top they given a fat, salt. The food item which is given at the top of the pyramid is taken in a less amount. Okay. Salt, fat, sugar items we should take in a less amount. Okay. So that's what they given here. Balanced diet contain all the nutrients in the right amount. Balanced diet that contains all the nutrients, it should be taken in a right amount. The quantity of nutrients required by our body and their sources can be shown in a food pyramid. Here we saw the food pyramid. This is nothing but the food pyramid. Okay. And the next one, meals in a day. Okay. There are 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast is nothing but the first meal of the day, which we used to take before coming to school, is it? That is called breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Lunch, it is eaten around midday. That is nothing but in the afternoon. Okay? And dinner, half an hour before going to bed, we have to take the dinner. So there are 3 meals in a day: breakfast, lunch and dinner. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Lunch, it should be taken in around midday, that is nothing but in the afternoon. And dinner, half an hour before going to bed. Okay. Next one, food habits in different places. See, different people used to take the different food depending upon their place, climate and culture. Suppose if you take in coastal areas, they used to eat lot of seafood, because in coastal areas they used to get more seafood, is it? So depending upon the place, the food differs from one place to another. Okay. And here in your book they given South Indian food and North Indian food. South Indian food, rice, dal, coconut, all these they prefer in a South Indian food. They also refer by idlis, dosas, payasams, all these comes under the South Indian food. So this is also a South Indian food, rice and then payasams, all all these, it comes under dal, toran, all these are the South Indian dish. And the next one is the North Indian food. North Indians depend on wheat, onions, milk and curd. And see here, we used to have rotis or parathas, chapatis, onions, alus. They mostly prefer for the chapatis. They depend on wheat and curd. Next, food habits in different age groups. Here, they give children, adults and old people. All the people may not take the same amount of food. Listen, children will take milk, honey, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, egg, sprouted seeds and fish. And in adults, they may take all the vegetables, fruits, seafood, greens, milk and milk products. And if you take the adult old adults, they used to prefer more fibrous food, low fat dairy products, food with less salt, ragi, tinai and pearl millet, which is nothing but a traditional food, which we are going to see in our next topic. So traditional food is nothing but our ancestors ate food that we are easily available from our nature, which lead to healthy life. Okay, so what are all the traditional food is nothing but ragi, tinai, samai, kudiraivalli, varagu and kambu. These are the traditional food which is available in our nature, which it leads to a healthy life of the people. See, these are the traditional food. Samai, kambu, kudiraivalli, tinai, varagu, ragi. These are the traditional food which our ancestors preferred to eat from the nature. Okay. Next, home garden. Home garden is nothing but cultivation of crops in a small available space. See, I will show you one video. See, home garden is nothing but cultivation of crops in a small space, which is nothing but in our terrace, in our kitchen. All these we can cultivate the fruits and vegetables, herbs, greens. See here. So we can get the fresh fruits and vegetables, even leaves, herbs we can get. Okay. So this is nothing but the home garden. Cultivation of crops in a small available space in a household is known as home garden. It is also known as kitchen garden or nutrition garden. They may have this in one mark. Home garden is also known as kitchen garden or nutrition garden. Okay. The next one. What are all the fruits and vegetables? Vegetables like tomatoes, brinjal. We saw in the video, no? Brinjals. See? Tomatoes, brinjals. All these we can cultivate in a home garden. Snake gourd, snap beans, lettuce finger and fruits like even bananas, lemons and also herbs can be cultivated in a home garden. Home garden is also known as nutrition garden. Okay. And the next one, advantages of home garden. And the next one is advantages of the home garden. What are the advantages? It is the easiest method and wastewater can be reused. Okay, because we are using in a terrace, in a home, is it? So the wastewater it can be reused again. And it saves some money. We can get the fresh vegetables and which is high nutritive value. Okay, and now we will revise the 1 marks which is given in your book back. And you guys have to say the answer now. Choose and write the correct answer. Bread, wheat and potato are rich in, and these are the energy giving foods. Is it? Bread, wheat and potato are the energy giving foods. So they are rich in carbohydrates. They are rich in carbohydrates. A balanced diet contains carbohydrates and vitamins, proteins, fats and minerals, fiber and water, all the above. So the balanced diet contains all the above. The vitamin present in carrot, I said no. For eye we need vitamin A. So carrot, it contains a vitamin A. Which of these things are bad for you? Eating green vegetables, washing vegetables before cutting them, eating lot of fat food items, eating lot of pulses. So eating lot of fat food, it leads to obesity. So the bad for you is eating lot of fat foods. Okay. The given picture shows that Raman is most likely eating this. See the time here. This is 12:45. Is it? 12:45 is around the afternoon, midday. Is it? So afternoon we used to have our lunch. Afternoon we used to have our lunch. So the answer is lunch. Food rich in dash of a bodybuilding food. Food rich in dash is for bodybuilding food is nothing but proteins. What is the answer? Proteins. And the next one, dash helps in proper functioning of our body is vitamins. That is nothing but vitamins. The dash is necessary for proper growth and development of our body is balanced diet. What is it? Balanced diet. And the next one, sprouted seeds contains more protein because it comes under the nuts, does no? So it gives more proteins. And what is the second meal of the day? What is the first one? Breakfast. What is the second? Lunch. And third is dinner. Here the question is, dash is the second meal of the day. That is nothing but lunch. Okay. And moving to the third Roman letter, match the following. Carbohydrates are supports body growth, regulates body function, energy giving food, fights disease. Carbohydrates are energy giving, and vitamins, it fights disease because as you know, vitamin C, what happens? It fights against the germs. Okay, so vitamins fights disease. Proteins and minerals. Protein, it supports our body growth, and minerals, it regulates the body function. Mark it, students, all these are given in your book back questions. Okay, and coming to the next Roman letter, answer the following. How many nutrients are they? What are they? How many nutrients are they? I said no. See here. So, how many nutrients are they? 5 nutrients are they. And what are they? The answer is carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. This is the answer for this question. How many nutrients are they and what are they? 5 nutrients are they, and they are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay, and what is the balance? Sorry, Shiva is 6 years old. He need to have good amount of protein. Give reason. See what even they say proteins. He need a protein. Why he needs protein? Because protein is a body building food. He is a 6-year-old boy. So protein is a body building food. It helps our body to grow tall and it makes very strong. Because of that reason, Shiva needs a good amount of proteins. Okay. And what is balanced diet? See here the answer is given. What is balanced diet is nothing but balanced diet contains all the nutrients in the right amount. This is the answer. The quantity of nutrients required by the body and the sources is shown in a food pyramid. And the next question is, what are the meals in a day? What are the meals in a day? See the answer? There are 3 meals in a day. And what is that? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Okay, these are the 3 meals in a day, and the answer for this question, what are the meals in a day, is breakfast, lunch and dinner. Okay, and coming to the next question, what are some traditional food items? What are some traditional food items? What is that? One image. Some Same, Kambu, Varadu, Ragi, Tinai, Kudiraivalli, all these are the traditional foods. It comes from Ragi, Tinai, Same, Kudiraivalli, Varadu, Kambu. These are the traditional food items. And next question, write any 3 advantages of home garden. What are the 3 advantages of home garden? Here, first given, you can write any 3. It is the easiest method. Wastewater can be reused. It saves our money, and obviously we can get the fresh fruits and vegetables, which is highly nutritive value. Okay. With this, we finish this lesson, students. This is the end of the lesson, and we'll see in our next class.